This is the elevator, 5720 Neal Road in Reno, Nevada. This is the one to drag hard pump, the elevator 3219 film.
Is this the right place?
Yes.
Alright.
This is my first time in here. Originally in Otis. Otis. Let's go up the street. Listen to this motor. Shh. Quiet. Epic motor. This deserves 2 rides, I can already tell.
Is that a lift paddle?
No, this was old phone box. Here we go. Let's go back down to 1. I believe Schindler did this modernization. Like I said, this was originally in Otis. This deserves another ride. This deserves another ride. This I'll go on my own on the next trip I do.
You want to do that? I'll step out there.
Yeah. Make sure you also record the elevator machine room too. On your phone. Alright, you can get off now. Alright, listen to this. Now, go. Listen to this. Look at the shaft.
We can't be sure.
Otis. Here we go. It's a nice elevator. Innovation bruiser, hands-free, 88 code compliant phone. Yeah, I'd say Schindler did this mod. We're setting this up 3 floors so I can listen to the motor. This thing's amazing. These kind of look like snap cabs, but they're most likely not. Going up?
Yes.
Let's set this one up and we'll listen. Now I'm going to do a video of this machine. Okay. Listen to this. Listen. Oops.
No.
You have to wait. You have to wait a minute.
They gotta go out to 3rd floor.
No problem.
You have to wait for it.
She's gonna show me how to get
Listen to this, everybody. Why is it going? Is it not going? It's not going. There we go. Listen to that motor. It's also going up the street after this. That was amazing.
Let's take a
Hold on. It's gonna go up another floor. It's going up another floor.